guys, so today we're going to be unboxing this. I did the power steering pump in my Trailblazer yesterday, Project Trailblazer, and the cooler, so now it's running again and it has power steering. I got to get coolant today. Today I'm doing a lift kit in 4 Monroe struts, but I needed a electric impact wrench to do this, so this is what I got. I was going to get a Cobalt one, battery operated for 160, but where's the foot-pounds? Hold on. This one has 1050. The wireless one had 300 for 169. So this clearly is going to be the better choice, but I'm sort of regretting it now, because when I go on road trips, I want to be able to bring this with me without having to keep a decent sized battery pack that will have to be recharged. But this is what comes inside the box. Can't really see it. Cord. Directions. I don't even know how to say this name, to be honest. Bauer, I think it's called. Here it is. Wow, this is heavy. This is heavier than some of the air guns I've used in the past. So, and it's definitely bigger. The gearing mechanism stops where the color starts, and you can see just how big that gearing mechanism is. That's the size of an average fucking. You know where I was going with that, but yeah, the other one I was going to get was that big. The gearing mechanism not that big, so I can't wait to test this thing out, try it out. I've heard nothing but good things about this. It has a year warranty on it, I think. This is from Frieght. They're pretty good with their warranties usually. I just had an angle grinder break by me because I was angry and I threw it. From there, I've had for 5 years now, so I trust their quality. I'm gonna go get ready, set up, upload this video so I have memory to film the strut job. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Follow me on IG. It's down in the description or comments. Peace.